Welcome back to QRepubliC. Today is October 13th, 2021, Wednesday. Our PSEi closed today at 7,068.92 with foreign selling around 221 million pesos. Malakas pa rin po talaga yung ating selling pressure dito sa ating net foreign indicator. Sa ating news today, highlighted pa rin po yung pagtaas ng ating oil price. So, na-take note natin kahapon na puro positive yung nakikita ng ating analyst when it comes to inside the Philippines. Pero globally, yung major concern natin ngayon aside from the COVID-19 is the oil prices. On the other perspective naman, our trading volume remains strong. Value turnover of 9.74 billion pesos. So sa ngayon po mataas ang demand ng oil kaya naman tumataas yung price neto at tumahatak din siya sa ating inflation worldwide. Pero chart-wise, we are happy as we are still at the 7,000 level and somewhat still forming higher lows, facilitating our uptrend channel. So hindi pa naman natin siya nabi-break down and dyan pa rin nagsusupport yung ating market or yung ating low price dito lang sa lower border natin. Yun nga lang, hindi pa natin ma-breakout completely yung ating 7,100 na major resistance. Kaya naman kailangan pa rin nating maghinay-hinay sa pagbili and i-check as much as possible all the angles of the stocks that we are monitoring para hindi tayo maipit sa mataas na area if by any chance. So, let us continue to monitor our market, be wiser than we are yesterday, and continue to invest for our future. For PLDT, after ng selling pressure ng mga nakaraang araw, it seems that the market is on indecision today due to the doji candlestick that we made. Bagamat green tayo, makikita natin yung struggle ng ating mga buyers to push the price up. Sa ating net foreign indicator, selling tayo for 2 consecutive days now, although nabawasan naman yung ating selling volume. So hopefully, tomorrow is mabalik tayo sa ating buying. Pero generally naman, dito sa ating net foreign indicator is more on buying or maganda pa rin yung ating support. So although nanghina yung ating momentum, causing it to break down our uptrend channel at nag-dip pa nga tayo dito sa ating moving average 20, I think we are still good for PLDT. Kasi selling pressure wise, meron, pero based sa volume naman natin, hindi siya ganoon ka-major kasi below average naman siya recently. Maganda pa rin naman yung support ng ating mga foreign investors at fundamentally, maganda yung ating mga figures na makikita. So, for PLDT, I think we are good to hold and buy. Especially malapit tayo sa ating support at 1,612 area. For Globe, we still have a good momentum as we are still following our uptrend channel. So nakapag-regain po tayo ng momentum after nating i-touch yung moving average 20 last time since we are now creating higher lows and higher highs from that time. Sa ating net foreign indicator, wala naman tayong selling pressure na nakikita and buying tayo today around 19 million pesos. So, nag-increase ng konti yung ating volume dito sa ating buying. Checking our fundamental scores, red flag tayo sa ating earnings per share and mataas yung ating price to book value. So, this could be a hindrance para maka-attract pa tayo ng mga investors para kay Globe as of the moment. Having said that, mas maganda kung maghihinay-hinay tayo sa pagbili kay Globe as of the moment para if ever man is hindi tayo maipit sa mataas na price, especially po sa mga magbibuild pa lang ng kanilang portfolio or average. So, ang safe side po natin, in case na magkaroon ng major correction or selling pressure, is at 2,660 area below. And also, sa mga existing na po or meron ng mga shares dito kay Globe, hold can still be our option as of the moment. Since maganda pa naman yung ating momentum, yun nga lang, babantayan lang natin siya. Kasi sa ngayon, wala pa tayong selling pressure na na-observe. So, ayan yung ating mga babantayan dito kay Globe. For MONDE, we have to be aware that our selling pressure as of this time is really strong. Napakataas ng ating volume at solid bearish candlesticks yung ginagawa ng ating market as of the moment. Also, isa sa kailangan natin maintindihan as of this time is that hindi muna tayo makakabalik above 18.60 area kasi sa ngayon very minimal lang yung ating mga buyers at mostly mga sellers yung makikita natin kay MONDE. Fear emotion could arise as well, especially sa mga gainers na hindi pa nakaka-exit. So ang tendency is magbebenta rin po sila bago pa mawala yung gains nila. Thus, hindi pa magandang bumili at this time since hindi pa stable yung market for MONDE. Our support around 16.90 or 17 peso area is not strong and high likely ma-breakdown natin yan soon. Although, we may see a bounce play tomorrow kasi dalawang sunod na araw tayong solid red and malayo na tayo sa ating moving average 9. So, possible high natin sa bounce play is around 17.70 or 17.50, 17.60 around dito sa ating moving average 50. And that could be our exit as well in case man gusto nating lumabas or magbenta dito kay MONDE. That is the highest that the market can offer to us as of the moment. So think carefully if you want to hold or exit dito kay MONDE. On the other perspective, technical wise, we are seeing a strong support at 15.30 area. So we are not seeing na mabi-breakdown natin yan soon. So dyan din po magandang bumili kay MONDE soon kapag nag-stabilize na yung ating market. And 17 pesos naman po yung ating magiging strong resistance at that time. For macro Asia, kung kahapon is we are very positive. Today, we can see a possible weakness candlestick-wise as the market formed an inverted hammer or shooting star type of candlestick. Hindi rin po natin na-sustain yung ating magandang net foreign indicator kahapon. So, selling po tayo today at around 570,000. We have identified kahapon na 5.30 area is possible to break out pero we have to be vigilant upon reaching our strong resistance around 5.85 area kasi we have yet to find out the pulse of the market if gusto na ba siyang i-breakout. Although initial sign of weakness pa lang naman yung nakikita natin, so pwede pa naman tayong mag-hold in case man meron na tayong shares dito kay Macro Asia. Bantayan lang po natin siya yung possible red candlestick na gawin ng ating market tomorrow or the day after tomorrow kasi kapag nag-solid red tayo at mataas yung ating volume, it will indicate na malakas yung ating selling pressure and high likely maputol natin yung ating momentum at bumaba ulit tayo below 5 peso area. Re-evaluating our fundamental score, price to book value lang po yung maganda sa atin. The rest are red flags and alam naman natin that our airline sectors ay hindi pa ganun nakakabawi. So as much as possible, more on observation muna tayo at iwasan muna nating bumili on its current range. For IDC, we are forming lower highs and seeing a downtrend channel. We are on weak momentum as well since we are trading below moving averages and wala tayong enough buyers to push our price up above moving average 9. Thus, wala po tayong support from the market and more on sellers yung ating na-observe and nag-resist kaagad tayo or nabablock agad tayo around moving average 9. I would say na hindi pa tayo stable kay IDC since malakas pa yung ating selling pressure and nung nakaraan nga rin malakas yung ating or strong yung volatility yung ating nakita when it comes to selling pressure causing us to go down dito at 1.80 area kasi ang taas ng volume natin at that time. So this area may not be strong yet, itong 1.80 na support na tinitingnan natin, at hindi pa advisable kumuha ng shares in case man we want to position dito kay IDC. So more on observation muna tayo until the market can control its selling pressure, and possible soon matouch natin yung ating 1.60 area. Then let's see if we can have a momentum on that area. For Robinson Retails, we are currently consolidating above 58 peso area right after natin siyang i-break out the last time we encountered a strong momentum. Sa ating net foreign indicator, selling tayo today around 5.60 million, pero recently naman puro tayo buying, so hindi pa naman siya ganon ka red flag, and wala naman tayong na-observe na selling pressure dito kay Robinson Retails. Rechecking our fundamental scores for Robinson Retails, maganda naman po yung nakikita nating figures, especially dito sa ating price to book value, and sa ating technicals, the fact na na-breakout nga po natin yung ating long time resistance. I would say that we are good to hold dito kay Robinson's Retail and good to buy as well, especially that we are on our support area right now. So yan po yung patuloy nating titingnan dito kay Robinson's Retail, kasi sa ngayon pati sa ating mga moving averages, we are trading above. So wag lang tayo magbe-breakdown ulit dito sa strong resistance na breakout natin, or wag lang tayo maka-encounter ng mga solid red candlestick accompanied by a high volume, kasi meron tayong volatility na may kita. But as of the moment, good tayo dito or steady tayo dito kay Robinson's Retails. For Semirara, we have a very strong momentum recently, accompanied by high volumes, hence very good support from our market. Sa ating net foreign indicator, although selling tayo today, generally maganda po ang support natin, so good to go pa tayo dito sa ating indicator. Technical wise, masyado na tayong malayo sa ating moving average 9, so high likely mag-correct tayo. So possible din na magkaroon tayo ng strong and solid bearish candlestick. Yan po yung isa sa pwede nating ma-expect. And checking our fundamental scores naman, we have good figures, so we can focus sa ating technicals to evaluate itong si SEC. So buy is an option, especially during its pullback, and the ideal price that we can get SEC should we have a pullback is yung malapit sa moving average 9. So sa ngayon, around 27 pesos yung ideal price natin. Pero kapag nagpatuloy pa rin yung ating strong momentum, hindi tayo mag-pullback, we may not touch 27 area anymore. So just get shares near moving average 9 or dito sa ating purple line if by any chance. Also, meron tayong article na nakita from Philstar, stock commentary, particularly sa kanilang dividend. So itong si SEC and DMC ay pagmamay-ari ng Konsunji family, and sabay silang nag-declare ng dividend, itong dalawang companies na to. Ang main concern natin dito, especially sa mga Semirara holders, is yung hawak na shares ni Josefa Konsunji. So meron siyang hawak at least 2 million shares, equivalent to 38 million pesos at the time na binili niya yung shares. And then now, since tumaas itong si Semirara, naging 58 million pesos na siya. So ang laki na kagad ng kinita niya. Plus, kung magpa-participate siya sa dividend, additional 3.6 million pesos yung pwedeng madagdag sa kanya. Hence, we have to be careful should we decide to join the dividend, kasi high likely, lalo in just a matter of 2 months, is millions na agad yung kinita niya. Isang tao pa lang yan. So what more yung iba pang mga investors natin. Maaari tayong magkaroon ng buhusan sa X date on October 20th at baka maipit tayo sa mataas na price. So think carefully if you want to get a cash dividend or exit before October 20 to be on the safe side. So yan po yung mga kailangan nating tingnang angulo in case man we are participating currently dito kay SEC. For DMC, halos pareha sila ng galaw ni SEC as of the moment. Strong momentum and high volume. Thus, maganda ang support ng ating market kay DMC as of the moment. Good support din tayo from our foreign investors and buying tayo today ng around 55 million pesos. Hold is an option as well as buying of shares. Be aware lang tayo na malayo siya currently sa ating moving average 9. So, pullback is possible to happen and ideal price na bumili is malapit or just above moving average 9. So as of this time ng review natin, 8.40 area yung ideal price natin for DMC. And if napanood nyo yung review natin kanina kay SEC, meron tayong news doon regarding its dividend. Though wala tayong news about sa hawak ng Kunsunji family na shares currently kay DMC, asahan na rin natin possible magkaroon ng selling pressure on its ex date on October 21st. Kasi kung si Semirara nga, possible na magkaroon ng selling pressure. So, ganun din yung pwede nating ma-speculate dito kay DMC. So, think carefully if you are going to hold until that time or exit tayo bago yung kanyang ex date. For JFC, we did a good pullback today, sustaining our breakout from 210 peso area. So, lumalaki yung ating chance na tuluyan nating i-breakout itong ating 210 peso area. Plus, yung tinake note natin kahapon sa ating review na gumawa tayo ng base bago natin i-breakout yung 210 peso area. Kumbaga, nag-alat ng time yung market for the sellers na gustong lumabas kay JFC para maging concrete buyers lahat upon breaking out our 210 peso area. So, nag-consolidate po tayo dito sa area na yan. So, more on positive ang nakikita natin ngayon kay JFC. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we do see a consistency sa ating buying volume in the short term, indicating na okay din po yung ating mga foreign investors to buy on its current range. Due to our green flags, hold and buy is our option dito kay JFC, especially na kaka-breakout lang natin sa ating 210 peso area. Also, just an update, JFC continues to expand its business overseas, especially sa mga bansang nagre-recover or may mabilis na recovery sa pandemic. And their goal is still to become one of the top 5 restaurant companies in the world. So recently, nag-open sila ng store sa Florida at Canada. So Jollibee Group operates in 34 countries with over 5,800 stores globally. And marami rin silang ibang brands like Burger King and Panda Express Philippines. At meron din po silang ownership sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Yoshinoya. So marami po. So, very good to invest tayo dito kay Jollibee as very known talaga yung brand niya or yung kanilang business at napakarami at remember yung goal nila to be one of the top 5 in the world. So, that's very aggressive but at the same time, attainable siya should they continue doing their best and keep on improving. For Converge, unfortunately, malakas pa rin yung ating selling pressure on its current range. Based na rin po sa ating volume, more on sellers yung pwede nating pa-observe. Due to this, fear emotion is still on its peak, especially yung mga gainers na hindi pa nakaka-exit at gusto nang i-take yung kanilang mga naging gains. So, kumbaga parang ayaw na nilang malusawan pa ng kanilang mga gains. So, thus, wala tayong mga buyers to push the price up. Kaya naman, 33.60 area is now our strong resistance kasi marami tayong sellers on that area. So ngayon po, hindi pa advisable bumili on its current range. More on observation muna tayo and itong ating 30 peso area na support is on 50-50 pa. So may chance pa nating ma-breakdown yan. And then sa ngayon, 27.75 area po yung ating strong support around our moving average 100. So, kumbaga, hindi pa stable si Converge. Hindi pa natin siya masabi na dito na tayo sa support na to magkakaroon or makaregain ng kanyang momentum. Kasi sa ngayon, malakas pa yung ating selling pressure. So, may chance pa na bumaba pa tayo further. And just an update for Converge. So, they are now giving options for small and medium enterprises or businesses in case they want to maximize their operations, particularly using the internet. So, FlexiBiz, Dayplan, and FlexiBiz Peak yung kanilang parang options sa ngayon. Kasi syempre, alam natin na kapag maraming gumagamit ng internet, bumabagal yung ating mga connection. So, very important sa business na sustainable yung kanilang connection. So, ito yung isa sa mga plans or ito yung isa sa mga help na pinoprovide ni Converge ngayon sa ating mga maliliit na negosyo. Also, Converge recently partnered with QrepubliC Telecommunications for its participation in the Bifrost cable system, which would eventually boost its capacity. Lalagay po natin yung link ng news na to sa ating description so we can read the full article if by any chance.